is what I picked up. Well, and welcome to the channel, General Lasco Hill. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So let's go on the outlet. So let's start with the good ones today. We found a new release Air Jordan 1 retro colorway is bronze and black colorway. I believe this one has been just released this few months ago, or if not mistaken about 2 months. They are in the outlet. So how about another different color of Jordan retro? Nice white, blue and yellow accent. This one is pretty cool though. I like the color, and I hope it's not my size though, but it's in the outlet. And how about this one? So this one, they already purchased me one of this, so I like this one, and it is a Carhartt. And we found a best pickup of the week, or probably the month, and we got the Shutter Backboard Air Jordan 1 Shutter Backboard 3.0 with that glossy leather. Wow, can't you believe that? It's already on the outlet, and I believe this is just a return, so I'll pick this up. Lucky me, I found this one. And so you already knew what I picked up today. Okay, so I was like the first day of family and friends. I did show you what I got from the first day, which is the Air Force One Low Whip, or the collaboration of Carhartt. And so I picked up those one size 12, so I wanted to test it out. There you go, the size 12. First day I already sold the size 12 that I picked up, so I said I gotta go back and pick up all those size 12 that I left behind. So I was 4 or 5 the day when I picked those, the first day. I left behind a 5 pair of these shoes. So I went back, and I was kind of surprised. This is the last pair that I had, size 12. And also pick up also the size 9.5 of the Air Force One Low Carhartt. So I was kind of, I should pick up the size 12 before, because I already sold it for 135, including the shipping will be paid by the buyer. So I get maybe more 30% ROI on those. So also I also found this one in the hash wall. I mean, this one is on the bag section, and retail on this one is $18. Yeah, $16. Mark it down to $12.99. They also had additional 30%, and then additional 30% off. So this one, $16 bag, Brazil bag, down to $6. So I'm not really sure if it's included in the 30% off, so I tried it and it's really included. So we mark it down somewhere $6, so that's more than 70%. And then another pickup from the hash wall. this one I believe it was returned, and it says here Benassi J, just do it SE. Retail is 45, and it's kind of small though. If it focuses, it is on 14.97. So I'll pick this up, 14.97, size 11. I was hoping I could use it for the collection. That 14.97 and then additional 30%. So 14.97 minus 30% is $10 for this one. And if it's really, the retail is 45, then not bad. So let's check it out if it's really is it really $45. So style code Nike AJ 6745, and then 300. So usually if I have to type it on Google or Nike apps on Safari, so some in the Kohl's $30, Shoe Carnival $34.97. Okay, what else? Color Roots. Let's see on the Color Roots. Okay, that's a different color. No, that's the right one. AJ6745. It's showing a different color right now. It's not really 45, probably. No, different one. No, I can't find it. So, but usually, but $10 for this slide slipper, chinelas. It's not bad at all. Even though if it's 25 or 29, I'll take it for the collection. And that's why you are here, because you saw it on the thumbnail. So pick up not just one, but two. That's the receipt right there. Okay, we got size 13 and size 12 on the, it was returned. Who you are? Who returned this? Well, Mr. or Miss Rayhan Falls of Kentucky Avenue, I got your return. And we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is the black Starfish Vanilla. Dun 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 dun. Boom! We got the Shatter Backboard 3.0, and here we go. Nice. Yeah, that means when someone return it, this one is ordered online and they return it on the store. But this is the one that shows in the, got it on the display. So I saw it on the display. That's what you saw it on the picture and the video. This is the size 9. This is the size 12 of the Shatter Backboard 3.0. So last weekend, or what day is that? This is what I'm talking about when I did the video on the consolation prize of the Shatter Backboard. Air Jordan 1 Low. This is what I'm trying to buy for my size and also for a smaller sizes because they are reselling better in smaller sizes. But pick them up in the outlet because some of the buyers return it because they thinking that it's not good, or maybe it's not what they want, it's not really nice for them, or it's not really reselling. Because if let's take a look on StockX and let's see how much it costs now. Jordan Shutter Backboard 3.0. There we go. So that is 10 and a half. Last sale is 213. Okay, let's see. So last sale has been sold for 230. The cost of this is 160. So there you go, some 8.5 have been sold for 312. Wow. 8.5 have been sold to, there we go. So that one used to be sold somewhere 800, but then it market down to, someone people are trying to sell it to 300, 306, 313. They are price tanking. I don't know. It used to be 800 something. How about size 12? In size 12, used to be selling on 500 something. You see there. And now the last sale to November 1, they were sold like 4 of them. November 1. Some of them 200, 212, 209, and another 200. So usually, so that's it for size 12. Let's check out size 13. So 350 all the way up to 400, all the way to 400, and then down. Whoopsie. So now the last sale is 195, and during November 1, some sold to 195, 196, 197, and 196. There are already 4 sold this November. So, whoop, they are dipping down. But the good thing for me is not I didn't buy it for 160. I bought it for less than that. 160 retail, 160 minus 30% off is 48 equals to 112. So 112, I picked this up 112, and I also don't have to pay for the taxes. So I'm thinking Shutter Backboard are like reselling good. The first 1 and 2, they are been reselling good. Some were 700, some also goes up to 1,000. So I was thinking some are price tanking because probably they are panicking that it's not gonna resell good. So it's going to be an investment for me. 110 for a pair of shoes. That's not bad. Considering I got them lower than the retail, and I could still sell them. I'm thinking I was gonna sell them somewhere 300, like 320, 350, and the good sizes, size 12 and size 13, and not bad at all. So also this one not bad. So I was kind of surprised when I picked this up on the outlet. Wow, I was hoping it's gonna be my size. But just like what I said, I already had the consolation prize and the Jordan 1 low. But if someone will return another one in the outlet, I still gonna pick up if they had my size, because I think it still goes up. The price will not dip down low, because I think it will go up. This one still go up, even though the price is going down and down. When the others got their pair and they see that the price will go up, they are gonna keep it. It's still good ones for me. And pick up 2 for under retail. Nike outlet pickup on a family and friends with a 30% off of the Nike Air Jordan 1 low shutter backboard 3.0. So I hope you enjoy this vlog or Nike outlet day. I hope you could find also your size in your Nike outlet. So probably if a lot of reseller is panicking, they will return it to Nike.com or sneakersapp.com, or return it to your nearest outlet. So go check it out. Maybe you could find your size, or maybe you could find something, because even though they are returning it, even though there's still gonna be a good to resell or for collection for under retail, which is how much? 112 for Jordan 1 low shutter backboard. Take them all day. So that's about it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video for the Nike family and friends day 2. Pick up the Air Jordan 1 shutter backboard 3.0. And that's about it. Please leave a comment down below, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you later in the next vlog. Peace.